they're due, to be honest.
Yeah.
We're awesome like that.
At least we get them done. That's all that matters, really.
Yeah.
Yep, exactly. Okay, so is there anything on the homework that anybody or the preparation that anybody wanted to go over?
I'm good.
Let me.
So I guess my question was on number 6, where it has the A, B, C, D. So like on part C, where it says if a student, sorry, I'm gonna close my window. I don't know if you guys
Whatever. You're getting pulled. You're getting arrested.
What?
They're coming for you.
Sorry, I live in the city, and so there's just always cop cars or ambulances going down the street.
Yeah.
We're on part 6.
Okay.
Part 2.
Just on question 6.
Okay.
So I was just confused because I understand how to do the Z-score. But it says that if a student's score is in the 10th percentile, what would their corresponding Z-score be? So in the formula, I'm just confused on what X is, what the variable is.
Oh, you don't even have to do that. You already have the Z-score.
Yeah.
So what you would do is just put it in that little, you remember that little, I don't even know what it's called. The calculator thing that would calculate, let me just find it, it's on my desktop.
Oh, on the
problem, normal probability applet.
Oh, the app. Oh, okay. Okay.
So then you put in 0.1 for 10%, right? And then it's, oh, what? Oh, you don't have, oh, if their score is the 10th percentile, wait a second. 0.1. Yes. So in that probability applet, you just put in under area, you put in 0.1, and then you highlight blue the very first part of the bell curve. And then it tells you that Z-score, well, I don't know if you, I guess. I don't really know. So anyway, I got 1 point, maybe, is it supposed to be negative 1.282?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
1.8 or 1.28.
For the score?
2.
I'm confused.
Yeah, for the Z-score.
Yeah. I just lost where I have you guys. Oh, I pushed it away. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that one I got okay, but the next one, D, I put, somehow I came up with, I think I came up with 139.5 first, but then I changed it to 162.082, and that was wrong.
Yeah, it's 139.5. You were right the first time.
Yeah. So, see, now that I've done all the homework earlier, I've closed out all my things and I don't remember how to do any of this stuff.
I know. If you close out of things and you don't have your notes up or anything to like reference, then you kind of forget.
Yeah, it's a mess. So I'm going to open my Excel. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to open this one. And calculating Z-score. Okay. Okay, so that was the one that I got wrong, and then, so how do we do that GRE score for a student who scores at the 10th percentile? Is it on that probability curve?
Should be.
10th. So then, what is that GRE? Is it just because it's 150.8 and the standard deviation
Is
see, I don't get
8.8.
it. Yeah, but how do you calculate that one? Now I've completely forgotten it.
This is for D, right?
Yeah, for D. I'm lost.
I'm trying to remember, and I'm failing to remember. Sorry.
Yeah, let me pull up my Excel thing. Ooh. See, it's totally gone. We got the number and the mean and the standard deviation. I don't know.
What is the quantitative GRE score for student resource?
So let me pull up that homework. I mean the book reading.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, textbook. Quantitative GRE score. Oh. Doesn't have quantitative.
Sorry, I just figured out something that I was confused on.
That's
Okay. So,
totally fine. So if you have I don't even know, somebody who scores the 10th percentile. So if you have a percentile and you have the mean and the standard deviation, so then you have to work it backwards. Was that the one?
Yeah, I think you add those two together, and then you minus the one.
I'm trying to find this in the homework, but I can't find it.
So you do
Or
the
in the
minus standard deviation minus the what was it? The Z-score minus the mean. And it's like 140 at that point. That's what I did.
Okay.
But it's probably totally wrong. So
No, I think it sounds like you have it right if you got that 140. I just don't get it. Quantitative GRE score, somebody who scores at the 10th percentile. If we have the mean and the standard deviation and the Z-score. I just don't see it. Is that the solve for X? So maybe.
I honestly have no idea.
Yeah, it's completely crazy. Let's try it if it's the solve for X. So let me just, let's see. Okay. So we have X, and we have the mean, which is 150.8. And the standard deviation is 8.8. 8.8. And then we say, oh, we can't do that. Question mark. Oh, that's when we work backwards. X minus that divided by standard deviation. So we multiply both sides by the standard deviation. So 10th percentile, what? Yeah,
Okay.
see, that one lost me. Let me see, 10th percentile. So the z-score is 1.282.
Okay, so
10th percentile. So we have the percentile, the mean, and the standard deviation. Okay, let's see. And what is the score? No, Google doesn't help. Okay, I'm going back to the textbook. So it's like if you don't do all these in order, you just get completely thrown off.
I know.
Yep.
So we
Okay,
have,
so on the homework, is it the solve for X part?
that's what I think it is.
I keep like
So
getting the
then
wrong.
what's the, oh, solve for X. The z-score, but how do we know the z-score? It's that 1.282 that we had from letter C, right? So 1.282 equals X minus the mean, okay, divided by, so then it's 1.282 times 8.8. Wait, 1.282 equals that times 8.8. Okay, and then what did they do? It was X minus the mean, so we have to add the mean. Okay, equals this plus the mean. See, that's 162. That's the one answer that I got, but that's wrong.
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
Because that's what I just did too.
Yeah, so I had 162 when I went to check it. It was 139.5 rounded to 140. So.
And Derek, you got 139.5?
No,
No,
that's
I
what
just
the answer sheet said. Oh, sorry.
No, I
Okay.
just did the one.
Wait. So, negative.
How to calculate the score.
Okay, it's because it's negative 1.2816.
That's why I just changed that to a positive.
Oh.
It's because it's a negative, and if it's a negative, then it's negative 11.2816. And when you add the 150.8, then it's the 139. So that's where
1.28. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Okay. I love it. Okay, perfect. Yay. Okay. So I got 3 other ones wrong when I went to check my homework. It was the very last three. On 7, it was D, E, and F. So what's the probability that a randomly selected particle has the speed less than 1,500 meters per second? I have no idea. I came up with 0.48. Oh, it might be the negative again.
Yeah, try it again.
Okay. So randomly selected particle speed less than, oh yeah. So if we have the yes, we have 1,800 and 600 and less than 1,500, right? So point 398, 0.5. What? Maybe I just didn't use the negative 0.5. Oh, man. I don't know. 0.5. Oh, I got it. Okay, I got D. All I had to do was put in negative 0.5 on the z-score and highlight blue the very first section.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm not going to remember that when we have to do the test. Okay, and then probability that has a speed between 1,500 and, yeah, so I just didn't use the negative again, I'm sure. And then the third quartile speed, I didn't know how to do that one. I was guessing, because if it's 1,800 in the middle, then I added 600 for the third quartile, and I guessed it 2,400, but it's not, it's 2204.4. So I don't really have any ideas on that one. Just weird. Do you have to put them all into the little calculator thing? See, if we're not like actually doing the homework, it all leaves my brain.
I know.
Exactly. Sorry.
It's just crazy. Okay. But here's the thing. I'm okay with moving on because my answer was close. And all the rest of them I was cool with. So I'm good. Oops.
I don't know how to, that one I had an issue on too.
Oh, you didn't get it?
I needed more time to like go through the videos again and everything so I could figure it out.
Yeah.
I know. It's crazy. So,
but we can move on.
Okay, let's do that. So now we have our quiz, right?
Yep.
Let me just open that part. It's lesson 5. Okay, lesson 5 group meeting quiz, I found it. Oh, 2 attempts, good.
Yes.
That's always good. Okay.
Okay.
Completing preparation, yes. Participating with the meeting, yes.
Question number 3.
Yes.
The total area under a normal distribution curve must be equal to 1, right?
Total area, yes. 1, good.
Yeah.
Question 4. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. Oh, that's false.
That is false all day.
Mm-hmm. And normal is symmetric. Yes, true. Okay, this is exciting.
Oh, wow. A lot of questions in this one.
Shoot. Yeah,
Which of
there
the
are.
following elements of the figure represents the z-score? I said B.
Z-score, no, it's
Or is it
C.
C? C?
It's the one in the box. Yeah. I think C.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1?
Right?
That's B, right? Or wait.
Following elements in the figure, probability that Z-score will be greater than 1.
Yeah, B, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
What? No.
It's not highlighted, but otherwise it's less than 1. So
Yeah.
But the
B is the area that it would be greater than 1.
No, the Z, okay, wait. The Z-score is 1 because it's in the box. Whatever's in the box is the Z-score.
Yeah, but this is just saying which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1. I guess, well, none of these represent the probability will be greater than 1.
Yeah, I think it's none of these. Because that doesn't make sense to me. Sorry.
No worries. That's why we got 2 attempts, right?
I know. Yeah, that's good. Okay,
I just
says,
like, are we putting D or is it B? Because B shows the area greater than 1.
but the Z-score is different, right? Okay, so let me pull this up. I'm in the applet. So if I put Z-score as 1, and I highlight different things on that little thing, the Z-score does not change. The probability, the area is a different number, but the Z-score stays the same no matter where I highlight. A, wait, where does it say? A or B or, oh wait, I don't know. Is C one of those choices? Okay. Elements, probability Z-score greater than 1? No, it's none of these. 8.413, yeah, okay. That's, okay, so ready for 8?
Yeah, according to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, what percentage of the data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
That is the 68.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me find my quiz again because I just lost it. 68, yeah.
So do we have to put a percentage sign or just 68?
No, just
Oh, wait.
68.
Write your answer
Okay.
as a percentage, such as 42 rather than, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. Just the number. 9. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as a decimal. What proportion? -1 and 1. Oh, it's 0.683. Did you guys get that? I have the thing open.
Wait,
So I put in the z-score. Wait, what? Standard normal distribution. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Oh yeah, 68 because 68%.
Okay, yeah, I got it. I had to change the blue part.
Yes. Okay, so are we just putting
decimal?
So
3 decimal places, 0.683. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose
Let's
that
try number 2.
Okay, suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores would be between -2 and 2?
That's the 95, right?
Yeah, it's the 95.
Wait a second. Let me write this.
95. So 95.
955.
45. So it's 955.
0.955. Save.
It's asking what's
Okay.
between -3 and 3.
Wait, sorry. What was that?
Next
Okay.
question's asking between -3 and 3.
Oh, next one. Oh, okay.
0.997.
Yeah.
0.997, yes. Save. Okay, 12. Look carefully at your answers. What do you observe? It's the 68, 95, 99, 7 rule.
Okay. The values match the rule. Okay. Are you guys ready for 13?
Do it.
Yeah.
Okay. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of food quality protein that must, or of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body of weight. And you can see that the population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65 grams
Per kilogram.
per kilogram per day. Is that what it is? And the population standard deviation is 0.07. It's that formula or whatever.
Yeah.
Grams
So
per
what?
kilogram. Yeah, that's all it is.
What?
So it's just saying per gram to a kilogram.
Okay. So what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60 per kilogram? Give your answer as a decimal, accurate to 3 decimal places. Okay.
So the mean is 0.65.
Yeah.
And the standard deviation is 0.07. So we have to punch that in, I think. The mean is, wait, the one we're looking for is the first one, which is 0.6, right?
Yeah.
And then the mean is 0.65, and the standard deviation is 0.07. So then we say the x minus that equals that over standard deviation. Okay, so I got negative 0.71429. Does that sound right to you guys?
I don't know.
What'd you get?
I got negative 0.71429.
Yeah, that's what I got.
So how do we make, okay, do we have to put that into the bill thing?
The applet?
So wait, hold on. Let's put, so that's the z-score, right? Okay, so we'll say 0.71429 on the z-score. Okay, and they want to know, let's go back to the question, what
The
portion of the population have a protein requirement that's less than that?
Oh.
So do we just do the first one?
yeah.
And then it's 0.2376?
Yeah.
0.23, so we'll call it 238. So it's 23%. Oh gosh, does that sound right?
That's
Yeah,
what, it's 24.
0.238.
accurate to the three decimal places.
Right.
So
Yeah, so that one makes sense.
yeah,
Yeah, that's right.
Oops.
14 is asking what proportion requires more than 0.6.
Oh, okay. So that's the other two. Then it's 0.762, right?
Yep.
Oh gosh, I hope we're right, you guys.
No.
Okay, good. We're doing fine. Fine. Okay,
Now we've
so
got
this
a
is
number from 0.6 to 0.7, and for less. That's all you got to do.
Okay. So now it's 70.
Right?
oh, so we just change it 0.7. What proportion of the population requirement that is less than? Yeah.
0.7.
Okay, so 0.7. That changes it to, now we have to punch it back in to be 0.714286. And less than that is, oh man, I did it again. I put it in the wrong spot. Okay, wait. 0.714286. So,
Are we supposed to, we got the same z-score as
oh my gosh, no, I don't think we did it right. Wait, are we supposed to do the first two in
Yeah,
blue
no,
or just the, because that's the z-score. I think we did those other two wrong. Eek. I think is 0.7624. 0.762. Oh, isn't that what we just got?
Well, that's what I was saying. I was like, so it's the same z-score and
Yeah, I
the
think we did those.
same.
I think we did, sorry, I think we did 13 and 14 wrong. Let's go back.
I don't know how wrong.
Because I was looking at the negative z-score, and I think we need to look at the positive z-score, and everything underneath it is the right answer. So if it's 0.60, 0.6, and the z-score is, oh, the z-score comes out negative. Okay.
Yeah, so
We
I'm
did it
just
right.
saying that it's like the same z-score, but one's negative and one's positive.
Yep. True. But that's weird because it's 60%
required more.
and 70%, which kind of sounds weird. What percentage of, what? Okay, so it says what proportion of population, oh my gosh, how can it be the same? Oh, more than 60. That was 14. More than 60 and less than 70. I don't get it. How can that make sense? That they're both the same.
I have no idea.
Maybe it's just between 60 and 70 is that 0.762. Could be. All right, should we keep on going? We'll be using attempt number 2 tonight, I think.
That's okay.
Okay, find the probability. Are you guys ready for 16?
Yeah.
Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 0.6 and 0.7. Remember, to find the area between two values, shade the left of each z-score. You can then subtract The smaller from the larger, make sure your answer is positive. This is randomly selected observation will lie between the two values. Ugh. Okay. All right. 0.6 and 0.7. And mean is the same, 0.65. Oh, I get it. The mean is 0.65. It's right in between 0.6 and 0.7. So from 0.65 to go to 0.6, it'll be the same distance as to go to 0.7.
Okay, so the other ones are okay.
I think so.
Okay, that
Yeah.
does make sense actually.
Yeah.
Which would
Okay. So
yeah.
this
Okay.
one equals minus m. Yep. Equals that divided by standard deviation. Okay. So the z-score for the first, for 0.6, is negative 0.71429.
Yeah.
Okay, and then everything to the left of that, so that is 0.2376. Okay, and then the second one is 0.714286. Everything to the left of that, and it's 0.7624. And then we subtract. Equals that. I got 0.5248. 2, so it'll be 525. Shade to the left of each z-score you calculate, then subtract the smaller from the larger, and the answer is positive. Yeah? What do you guys think?
I like it.
I like it.
Okay, so then we're taking 0.7624 minus the
Yeah,
Point-
0.2376.
Yep.
oh,
Right.
that's what I wrote it down wrong. Yeah, so 0.5248.
Yes. And then just round it.
2, 3.
The 4 rounds up.
Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. Round your answer to the three decimal places.
35th percentile. Okay. Now we have to look at how to find a percentile, which is, okay. Calculating percentile. So what we do is calculate, so we need the z-score for the, what's the question? What percentile?
35th.
35th. So we need the z-score for 35th. Type in the desired area at the top of the graph. 35. Oops.
Okay, so then you get that z-score.
Yeah, and then what? Okay, wait, hang on. 0.35. Calculating percentiles. Oh my gosh.
Oh. Okay, is this where we're supposed to find the x?
Think so.
But before that, okay, how do we even find the z-score corresponding to 90? Click the regions of the graph so that the area to the left of one of the bars is shaded and nothing is shaded to the right. Then type the number 9 in the box. So then we're typing 35. Why does it change it?
0.35?
Yeah, it changes the blue and it highlights only one of them. I don't get it.
Okay. No.
First, we need the z-score that corresponds with the 35th percentile under the curve. Type the desired area or percentile in the box at the top of the graph. The z-score corresponding to this area will be displayed in the bottom right box. So it says highlight both and then punch in 0.35. Highlights only blue. I don't know. Calculating percentile. Well, see, my thing won't keep only one area shaded blue.
What does it do? What area is it shading blue?
Well, just the very first one. In the book, it says
So what does it say the z-score?
It says 0.385.
Okay, and that's what I had. So let's just go with that.
And then solve.
We can find x from there.
Okay. Solve for x. So 0.385 equals x minus, and then let's punch in the mean, which we already have. Wait a minute. 0.385. Here it is.
So
0.65, 07. Okay. So then if we're solving, oops. Mean over standard deviation. So multiply both sides by the standard deviation. So equals, what was it? What was our, 0.385.
0.385, yeah.
385 times standard deviation. And then add to both sides.
The 0.65. So I got 0.677.
Plus, yeah, 0.65. 0.677, yes. Okay.
Okay.
I found my quiz. 0.677. 0.677. Okay, good. Last one.
Wait, how did you do that? Real quick.
So it's the equation, how you have z-score equals, and then you have x minus the mean divided by the
Oh,
standard deviation, but you have to solve it backwards.
well, never mind. Working with a handicap.
Okay. So last question says find the 80th percentile. So we just found the 35th, and we'll do the 80th now. So do we put it in here? 0.8. Oh, I get it, because 35 is less than half, and 80 is more than half. Now it has both of them highlighted.
Yeah.
I get it. So it's point. So should we have used the negative on the 35th? You know what? Maybe we should have. Shoot. Because that was negative. 0.35.
My applet's almost up.
So it was supposed to be negative 0.385. So let's try that. Equals negative 0.385 times that and times that. So now it came out to be 0.623.
Okay,
Which is a little different, but I think that's what I did wrong on the homework, and now we've fixed it. I'm going to change it. I think we need to use that negative, because remember when I was looking at the homework and I didn't get it, that's the negative, so it's 0.623.
Okay, I just have one question though. So for
Okay.
the 0.385, which is the z-score, right? Is what we were saying.
Oh, wait.
Putting
Let me
0.35.
Yeah, when I put in 35% in the top of that probability applet, yeah, it comes out to 0.385.
I'm giving you 0.385 because mine's giving me 0.935.
When you put at the top, 0.35.
Yeah, when I type in at the top, it's a 0.35.
And then what's shaded? The blue of the first one?
Let me see. 0.5. Okay, no, I got it. Okay. I had it shaded. Okay.
Oh, got it. Okay, so we're good. I think we're good on that one.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. The last one says the 80th percentile. So let's punch in 0.8 right there. And the z-score is 0.842. So let's put that in Excel. 0.842. So let's just remind ourselves what we're doing. 0.842 equals x minus the mean over standard deviation. So we have to multiply both sides by standard deviation.
Yeah.
Equals that times, is it 0.07 for the standard deviation?
Yeah.
No, I'm totally wrong.
Okay, wait, 8.842 times 0.07.
Okay.
I got 0.058. So
yes.
0.057.
And then we add the mean to both sides, right? Okay, equals this plus 0.65. And I got 0.709.
Yeah.
Okay. .709. Save. Okay. I am ready to submit.
Okay, let's have one person submit.
I'll do it. I'll put it
I
in.
already did. We got 7 wrong.
Okay. Okay. They don't tell you until you scroll all the way down.
Just
Oh,
7.
I got 7 wrong.
I
The one
think
that
we were right on that one.
That represents the
I think
probability.
it was B.
I think that was.
Yeah. Pretty
What did
sure.
you think it was on 7?
I think it was B.
Yeah, the area that B is pointing to.
Yeah.
Should I change it to B and then submit it?
Let's do it.
Hold on. That the z-score will be greater than 1. Oh, because A, no, I think it's A. I think it's what's shaded. Oh, I don't know. I don't get it. I still don't get it. Okay, but let me see what else.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
that's
Go ahead.
the only one that's wrong. So, yeah.
So if it's not B, then it's going to be A, and then we can like figure it out.
Yeah.
Go.
Well, I'll do the last one.
Write down all the answers again, right?
Bro.
What if they give us a whole different quiz?
That's not.
It's not. Okay. Okay, so who's going to do theirs? Oh, you?
Well,
Wait a second. Don't put yours in yet.
I'm not going to.
Because we have to start the quiz and then put all our things back in.
A.
Are you just writing it all down?
I am.
Okay. I'll do that too. I'm just going to take a picture of it. Oh, I don't need question 1 and 2. That's silly.
I don't remember what 8 was. Oh. Here we go.
Oops.
Well,
7 we don't know. Okay. 8.
What was 8?
68.
Oh, yeah, that's right. That's what I thought.
Yep.
And 11, 0.687?
Sorry, what?
What was 9 again?
9 is
68 something.
0.683.
3, that's what it was.
Yeah. 12.
That's right.
13.
okay. Okay, I'm going to submit mine with B in it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, it was B.
Okay, good. So how do we do the test again?
Otherwise, I'm really proud of you.
Okay, wait. So you got everything?
Yeah.
Okay, group meeting quiz. I'm just gonna go back in. Oh yeah. Quiz. Okay.
All right, Ashley, can you help me with 13 and the rest of them at that point? That's where I
Yep,
was.
so 13 is 0.238.
Okay.
14 is 0.762.
2.
And 15 is 0.762.
Then 16, 17, 18.
Is 0.525. 17 is 0.623. And 18 is 0.709.
Cool. Should be it for sure.
Fifteen, 762.
Hooray! 100%.
All right.
And okay, let me punch mine in. 762.
No rush.
8, 13. 12 is that thing. 11 is 0.997. 0.9995. 68. So it's B.
Yeah.
On question 7. Okay. And 6 is C.
Yep.
Why does it B?
Because the area that's greater than 1.
Okay. That one's true. That one's false. That one's 1. Okay, I think I got it. I'm gonna do it.
Good luck.
I know. If I put something in wrong.
I know, I get nervous doing that too.
Oh my gosh, I missed one again.
Which one did you miss?
I don't know. Oh, 10. Who's 10?
0.55.
Oh, shoot. Put in the wrong number. It's 0.955 and I put in 0.995.
That's lame.
Well, at least it was in
Yeah.
It's still 95%. I'm happy.
Okay, so do we want to get next month?
Say that again.
Do we want to get together again on Monday night like we've been doing for the next quiz?
Yeah, that's fine for me.
Yeah, works for me too.
Let me just put it in my calendar.
Okay, I think we did 7:30 hour. I don't remember actually. 7:30 California time.
7:30 for me.
No, that'll work. 7:30 for me. Yeah. I just gotta remember 8:30 for me. So.
All right,
Okay.
let's plan on that. And I'll post this on the thread.
Cool.
Yeah, we're good.